What are instrument formulas and what do they represent? It's a code of 3 or 4 numbers printed on the handle of your hand instrument. It's given by G.V. Black to describe the dimensions of your blade and the angles present in the shank. Now it could be either 3 number formula or 4 number formula. First let's look at a 3 number formula. Now the 3 number formula is used for instruments with cutting edge at a right angle to the long axis of the blade. Now to remember the 3 numbers, let's remember we love all. Okay. First one is W, that is the width of the blade in tenths of a millimeter. And the second one is the length of the blade in millimeters. And the third one is the angle formed by the blade with the long axis of the handle of the instrument, which is measured in centigrade. Now centigrade means a circle is divided into 100 parts other than your 360. And each of this 100 part is termed as a centigrade. So now let's look at these 3 numbers with an example. In here the first number 15 represents width of the blade in 1/10 of a millimeter. So 15 means 1.5 millimeter is the width of the blade. Now the second number, that is 8, represents the length of the blade in millimeters. And the third number here is 14, centigrade. So that is the angle formed by the blade with the long axis of the handle. So this is your 3 number formula. Now coming to 4 number formula. It is used in those instruments with primary cutting edge not at right angle to the long axis of the blade. Now again the first number indicates width of the blade in 1/10 of a millimeter. Second number indicates the primary cutting edge angle. That is the angle formed by the primary cutting edge with the long axis of the handle of the instrument. Now third number is the length of the blade in millimeters and fourth number is the blade angle, that is the angle formed by the blade with the long axis of the instrument.